Please subscribe our channel Education Point and press bell icon to get notification of new educational videos.
Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 243, and today I am going to discuss the biological importance, the biological examination of natural water. And in this biological examination means that is microscopic examination. We are going to check the potable water or natural water under microscope. And then we'll find out the type of microorganisms which we can see under microscope. That is called biological examination of natural water. And here in the biological examination of natural water, one is we have to see the microorganisms, that is your algae, bacteria, fungus, parasite, and other microorganisms. And second part is that is minute organic and inorganic particles. So first we have to see microscopic point of view the examination of natural water. So the first is that is algae. So the examination of algae is very important because this green, blue algae, dead algae, they are responsible of the dull color or turbidity of the water and even the disagreeable bad odor of the water. Some of the dead algae, they are responsible of septic odor of our water. Some green algae is responsible of disagreeable odor. And not only that, these algae, they are responsible of providing the mat platform, the surface of natural water, so that the oxygen content, dissolved oxygen, becomes less, and in this way the aquatic animals or fish, they cannot survive. So you might have noticed in some of the rivers or ponds, sometimes we see that many of the fishes are dead. It is because of the presence of algae mat. So these are all factors I am going to give here. So the biological examination of natural water. Biological examination of natural water is actually the microscopic examination of natural water. Biological, that is primary pollutants, comprise biota that are added to natural water directly as a result of man's activities. For example, pathogenic bacteria or viruses from sewage. Corollary pollutants include living materials that interfere with the beneficial uses of water like weeds in irrigation ditches. Microscopic examination of natural water include qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis. So the qualitative analysis of pathogenic bacteria, viruses, algae, zooplanktons and parasites and flagellates organisms, and a quantitative estimation of their number. In addition, organic and inorganic matters are also estimated in this examination with the help of microscope. The algal examination. The algae are responsible for communicating peculiar taste and odors to many of the natural water. The green algae produce a disagreeable odor at high concentration. It also imparts color and turbidity to natural water. The very low concentrations of blue-green algae can create a grassy or moldy odor. Algae can deplete the oxygen or supersaturate the stream with oxygen, subsequently causing an imbalance in oxygen content, which becomes evident in the form of fish mortality. Dead algae form a mat on the water surface that I have already told you, that causing unpleasant septic odor. WHO has given the standard to drinking water, that is biological examination. So what biological means? A microscopic examination for bacteria and organic inorganic matter. The two standards they are given. First one is that the drinking water should be free from microscopic organisms such as algae, parasites, bacteria, zooplanktons, flagellates, and toxin producing microorganisms. It should be from microscopic examination point of view, it should be free. The second one is that microscopic measurement of total organic matter can be achieved by examining total organic carbon in drinking water. The instrumental method is better to the COD method, since it provides accurate results. So when we are doing the physical microscopic examination, that is commonly called as biological examination of water, two substances are very, very important to examine. First one is iron and second one is manganese, that is Mn, because these two plays very important role in turbidity, color, and quality of our potable water. That's why these two elements are very, very important to be examined microscopically. So here the physical microscopic examination of water. Iron is present in practically all solids, graves, sands, and rocks. Rain through soils and rocks takes iron and other mineral constituents according to character of geological formation. In what form geologically they are formed? Sedimentation or rock, all these things. Formation of soil and rock. Iron present in water above or having certain limit imparts taste to natural water. It stains clothes, and also Mn and iron, they plays very important role in making our cloth of dull color, yellowish color, brown color in the long run. And also if manganese and iron is there in water, then in textile industries, your clothes which is produced there, they are very much responsible of you can say decreasing the quality of your fabric or thread which is used. It will disturb the elasticity and strength of the fabric. So that it stains clothes, floors, plumbing, fixture. The quantity of iron in potable water should not exceed 0.3 ppm, and manganese, that is Mn, usually in small amounts, may also accompany iron in water. Manganese, that is Mn in water, causes organic growth. It blocks pipes and discolors clothes. It should not exceed 0.05 ppm in potable water. If water contains iron and manganese about 0.30 ppm, they become objectionable because of the following reasons. Number one reason is that water used containing iron and Mn in laundry may develop reddish or brownish stains. Number two, the taste of potable water, or we can make all it drinking water, becomes unpleasant. Number three, water becomes red or brown. That is adding to water color, brown in color. Reddish tinge in potable water is because of iron, and brownish tinge is due to the manganese. Number 4, the deposition of iron and manganese distribution pipes may lead to locking of mains and meters and pipes, etc. The iron and manganese in potable water may be present either without combination with organic matter or in combination with organic matter. When iron and manganese present in natural water without combination with organic matter, they can be removed by aeration followed by coagulation, sedimentation and filtration. The equation is given here. 4Fe in bracket SCO3 twice plus O2 plus H2O, and then you will get 4Fe OH thrice plus 8 CO2. In this way it can be removed. So with this I will stop, and with this lecture your the treatment and whole chemistry of water is over. Now I will be starting some new chapter. Thank you very much.